I'm Camille Lopez, founder of HiPlug, and I have three passions in life. Automotive industry, the source of my business background, and auto sports, as I'm a mechanic in karting championship. Nautical activities, I've been on a boat since I was born, and horse riding, raising my sensitivity for nature. HiPlug is a consulting firm for innovative projects in the yachting industry. We work with alternative energy sources such as hydrogen, electricity, biofuels, and biomethanol. Technologies such as generators or engines on board, and refill stations at the ports. We work with ports and yachts as a link between different industries. This cross-knowledge is our added value. We identified a knowledge gap between the industry regarding these solutions and decided to create a training model to educate and raise awareness. Come with us! Discover the fundamentals of our Yachting Energy Transition course. This is a one-day training in English or French taking place at La Belle Classe Academy at the Yacht Club of Monaco, in person or remotely, starting at 8 a.m. ending at 5 p.m. with 1 hour lunch break and 3 other short breaks between the topics. At the start of the session, you will be provided with a worksheet structured around the training with a space for note-taking. The training session is divided into two parts. In part 1, we present and explain the energy transition in the yachting sector, in the context of 4 main topics: alternative energy sources, technologies, regulation, and sustainability, providing a global vision of the value chain. We have a mini brainstorming session before each topic to provide you with the opportunity to think about alternative approaches, and a mini quiz after each to ensure you understood the theme, with feedback provided at the end. We will discuss energy sources such as hydrogen, electricity, biofuels, e-ammoniac, LNG, and biomethanol. In the technology parts, fuel cells, electric engines, and internal combustion engines. In the regulation parts, we discuss classification society, international laws, and labels to inform you of the legal impacts. In the sustainability, global vision of the value chain, we explain the life cycle assessment approach and ways to reduce pollution on different aspects. Part 2, questions and discussion, has 3 exercises: individual brainstorming, group brainstorming, and discussions. The individual brainstorming exercise is the opportunity to think individually about your own understanding of the session and write down your complementary questions or thoughts for 10 minutes, before sharing with others for 20 minutes. The group brainstorming exercise is proposed to create connections between the participants, allow collective thinking. In addition, it is the perfect time to present your activities and talk about your own background for 45 minutes. The discussion part is the opportunity to ask questions related to your own professional situation. We adapt this part to each participant profile, ensuring that the reasons you came to this training have been addressed. To end the session, there is a final quiz named Fast Form Knowledge to ensure you have properly understood the fundamentals. We aim to make this pedagogic and enjoyable. The fastest to answer, with the most correct answers, wins the prize. After the training, we will provide you with a recap of the information covered to have a reminder of what you have learned in the future, a satisfaction questionnaire, as well as a participation certificates. Join us for the next session. I hope to see you soon.